The West Texas Management. The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a flash flood warning for central Lubbock County in northwestern Texas until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lubbock, Wilforth, Texas Tech University, downtown Lubbock, Lubbock South Plains Mall, Lubbock International Airport, Recenter, Buffalo Springs, and Lubbock Science Spectrum. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.